Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your followers and the people who are actually following. You don't want to see who you're following and you don't want to see who is following you. Let's launch the Instagram app first. First thing first you want to do, if you have the updated version of Instagram, you're going to look at the lower right corner where is your profile image. You're going to click on it. Then you want to slowly scroll down where you have the section called who can see your content. What you see that as a first option is account privacy. You click on account privacy and you have to toggle this up, which essentially makes your account private account. When you turn on your private account, your public profile and post can be seen, can be found when somebody is looking for you, but they cannot see who you are following and they cannot see who is following you. They can see the numbers of followers or people who you're following or numbers of followers you have, but they simply cannot see who are these accounts. This simply gives you the privacy and makes your account private. You're not going to be able to share publicly your post or your information as a content. This is another beneficiary if you look just to utilize your Instagram account as searching or Googling for somebody else's but not showing your own content. Subscribe and follow for more.